Just gonna undress my sweetie. Hey mom and random people on the internet watching this right now, it's Zizi and welcome back to Zizmas! Today is a very spontaneous and quick little baking video. It basically isn't even like really baking, because we're gonna make these chocolate crossy things. Put a picture on the screen right now. Yeah, that's what we're aiming for. Let's see if we can actually get there. Wow, what a surprisingly quick intro. No, actually wait before we get into it. Can you go down there and subscribe and click the bell, because I'm uploading daily all throughout December at this time. And you don't want to miss out because it's fun. Anyway, that's it for promo. Let's actually get started. So as I said, we're gonna make like chocolate crossies, I guess. And it's very simple. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Because basically you only need 2 ingredients. One of them is a heck lot of chocolate. And the other one is some cornflakes. The idea behind it is very simple. Melt the chocolate, take the cornflakes, put them in the melted chocolate, stir around, spread them, let them cool down, break it, and you're done. Wow, I just explained the whole video, so you guys probably aren't gonna keep watching. Anyway, let's go. Basically, I have like over 600 grams of chocolate right here. Thank God you hadn't have to witness the cashier at my local supermarket literally like looking at me while I just like put all of that chocolate on her desk. Like, that's all I'm gonna buy. Trust me, it definitely was a low point in my career. Just gonna undress my sweetie. Okay, but like, this is just like ridiculous. Fucking satisfying to watch though. You know, I'm not gonna be mean. I actually am gonna show you some B-roll footage for that right now, so you can go to bed happy. We're nearly there. Yes, yes. Oops. I think we're pretty good in there. Did you see the B-roll footage? All fancy and shit. Anyway, right now I want to get the cornflakes ready. As I said, I used about like 600 grams of chocolate, so I'm gonna use about like 400 grams of cornflakes. You basically just want to make sure that all of your cornflakes are pretty damn good covered in chocolate, otherwise the things like just like won't stick together, you know? Wait, I'm actually gonna move the camera over there, because I feel like it's gonna be more practical, you know. Basically what you can prepare while like melting the chocolate and stuff is that you can line 2 like baking trays or just like anything like really big with some, I use baking paper or like just like something similar that you can then like peel off the solid chocolate afterwards. As I said, we're gonna use like 400 grams of cornflakes. So for me that's about like half the package. I'm gonna pour that into a big bowl to then mix that with the melted chocolate. I basically just got the biggest bowl that we have in this household. Alright, there we go. That's all the cornflakes. Got me chocolate, got me cornflakes. Gonna mix it. Oh my gosh, this is like actually so fucking satisfying, you guys. You don't understand. So creamy as well. It's perfect consistency, I think. And now we're gonna mix it. ASMR. There we go. Now we're gonna pour that onto our like baking tray situation over here. And then you're just gonna like spread it all out. Anyway, that's basically it, guys. I'm just gonna let those babies cool down and then break them up into little pieces, and then we're done. Gonna insert some pictures of my finished product right now. So before I carry on eating all of this before it's even cooled down, leave a comment down below telling me your favorite very fast recipe. If you haven't realized yet, I'm uploading daily in December, so I would love for you guys to come back tomorrow at this time. If you don't want to miss out, definitely subscribe down below and click the bell so you will be the first one to watch. Until then, you can definitely keep up to date with me on my other social medias, and I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for wasting your time with me today. Okay, bye! Oh my god! Actually haven't seen the John Lewis Christmas advert. Listen, I know I'm late with this video. I'm like really excited. I'm probably gonna cry, you know, I'm kind of emotional. Oh my gosh, I can't wait! I need to watch this all over again, like just like the whole day, the whole week, the whole month, the whole year until the next one comes out.